guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going for another trip today and this destination is very special because I've been meaning to plan a trip here since forever I feel like, but कभी ना मतलब बनते बनते cancel हो जाता था या फिर बनता ही नहीं था. So now finally we are going to Guwahati. We are flying there and we are going to Meghalaya, which is a very beautiful place, and I'm going there with my sister, and now we are having some coffee and cookie at the airport. So I thought I'll just come here and talk to you guys and fill you in. Also, we are going for like a 7-day trip including Kaziranga, so it's gonna be a lot of fun, lot of excitement, lot of adventure activities and a lot more, I guess. So I'm expecting a lot from this trip. Hi guys, welcome to Guwahati. We are in our hotel room, but there's been a big mess. So basically हमने 2 luggage bags check in किए थे. हमको एक बैग मिल गया, एक बैग आया ही नहीं till the very end, and we were freaking out कि यार हमारा बैग कहाँ गया. हमने obviously like पता किया and वहाँ पे staff से help ली and stuff like that. So हमारा बैग and एक और किसी बंदे का बैग वो मुंबई में ही रह गया है. पता चला after a lot of like waiting around and everything. We were already very tired and starving because कुछ नहीं था हमारे पास and we were just like बहुत लेट हो गया था. It was very bad overall. अब सीन ऐसा है कि हमको बैग सुबह मिलेगा एंड हमारे सारे कपड़े उस बैग में है, लाइक दोनों के भी. बट नाउ वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड गर्मा गर्म रूम सर्विस खाना, दाल रोटी एंड जस्ट गना पास आउट. सुबह का सुबह देखते हैं. ऑनेस्टली पूरे सिचुएशन में मैं थोड़ी चिल थी, बट दीदी राइट हियर वाज फ्रीकिंग आउट बिकॉज
mad at airline people.
yeah, she was mad, she was furious and just freaking out in general. पर मैंने बोला ठीक है, कल का कल देखते हैं, it's tomorrow's problem. Don't be like me.
Coffee baby. Finally, something good.
New day, same clothes, but we're hoping to find our luggage very soon because it has arrived on the airport. Just trying to figure things out. So yes, I'm in my new clothes because हमारा suitcase आ गया है, हमको मिल गया है, and it was a little bit of hassle to be honest, but I'm just glad that हमको मिल गया suitcase and खोया नहीं and कुछ भी सामान इधर उधर नहीं हुआ. Otherwise it would have been a disaster. And one more thing, if something like this happens to you as well, they do deliver the bag to your place, your doorstep, wherever you're staying, your hotel, your home, anywhere. So you don't actually have to go to the airport to collect your luggage if it's not your fault. And now we are leaving to meet the rest of the group, and if I've not mentioned it already, we are actually traveling with a whole group of people, those organized trips basically, and this is the company that we are going with. So I'm excited to see what kind of people are we gonna meet and stuff like that. So let's just go. Guys, we are in we are in Shillong finally. It was kind of a long ride but beautiful one. अभी so far weather काफ़ी अच्छा है, like our jackets are out. ठंडी है and sunset का time almost हो गया है, so you can see it over there. We've just checked in and our room looks good, so we're just gonna relax for a bit and then maybe head out for coffee or some food because गरम गरम कुछ तो पीने का मन है. So let's यही अपन लंदन में कर रहे हो तो.
पहाड़ों पे मार्केट में घूमने का मजा ही कुछ और है.
आई नो. हाय हाय. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
प्रोड्यूसर देख लो, चलेगा ना ये ऑडिशन.
Hi guys, it's day 2 in Meghalaya and last night was really fun and nice, very chill out I would say. Today we are heading to a very nice place. It's a must visit sort of a place here in Meghalaya and I've heard so much about it. Actually we are visiting 2 places, so I'll just keep you posted as and when we are at those places, but for now all dressed and ready to leave. We've come out for a coffee hunt sort of situation. Coffee नहीं मिल रही है, सब परेशान है.
पापा जैसा रिएक्ट हुआ गरम देख के
It's too conscious he became.
विदाउट शुगर मस्त लगे जो
हाँ,
to be
same,
very
same.
honest. नाइस
Nice.
एक्टिंग भी नाइस
Hi guys, so we have come to this viewpoint which is known as Latloom Canyon and it's very beautiful. It offers a really nice valley view of the whole mountain range and it's very beautiful. So I'm just gonna show you in a bit. Weather भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत pleasant है. It's nice and sunny and cloudy all at the same time. ठंडी ठंडी हवा है. It's good, amazing. BTS of making a reel.
ए भाई ये तेरे भाई लोग गए रे चूना लेके
Oh my god. I think this is the prettiest waterfalls I've ever seen. The water is so blue and green and oh, so pretty. So we are going for sports activities, like water adventure activities, and Didi is doing my hair because I get changed. We are in the boat now, we're boating. So after all the adventure activities that we did in the morning, it was so much fun. We left Dauki River and it was like a 2 to 3 hour ride. And now we are in the Mollinong village, which is Asia's cleanest village, which is amazing. It's super clean, it's so green, they have so many flowers and very pretty homestays around here. So if you're here and if you want to spend like a couple of days, you should definitely stay here because it's actually very beautiful. We're just taking a stroll basically, nothing else to do. I'll just show you around. It's supposed to be cold. It is peaceful. I know. Really beautiful. Good morning guys. So last night it got very late to reach Cherrapunji and we checked into our hotel here around 9:30, which was very very late, and we were starving, so we just came, we had dinner, and just pretty much like checked in and passed out. So no time to vlog, sorry about that. But today morning, like it's around 7 a.m. and we just came out for like a morning stroll, and the view from this property is insane. We have a legit waterfall, we have the whole valley view, and it's actually insane that we're living here. It's too good. I mean, rooms are not that great honestly, but this view kind of makes up for it, so maaf kiya. Oh my. So we just went to the Mausamai caves. It was very beautiful, I would say. It was a very different experience altogether. I've never seen something like that before, and it was such a long big cave, and it was beautiful inside. Great experience if you have never experienced something like this, and with a group it's always fun. We just kept talking, banter, all of that, and yeah, it was great. So this is a local fruit called as Sophie. Tastes like amla apparently. So let me just try it. Nice. एकदम आंवले जैसा है.
This local fruit called Sophie. It tastes like amla.
Yeah, it's at third class.
And he wants to be in all the videos.
क्या हाल है? हाल तो अभी तक तो अच्छा है बिकॉज डाउनवर्ड जा रहे हैं. मेक सेंस. We finished the trek successfully. It was a big deal because ऊपर आना was very very tough. It was quite steep and सबकी हालत ख़राब थी, but everybody made it. If you can see everybody. Trek Varun.
It was crazy as fuck. Thank you for the motivator.
मोटिवेटर और मोटिवेशन.
नहीं motivator भाई, who is behind the camera. हमने target set करके करके ऊपर चढ़े हम लोग. It was really good. Loved it.
शुरू में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था कि काफी इजी रहेगा. जोश से उतर गए, फिर वापस आते आते
हालत टाइट हो गई.
हालत भाई जो और टाइट हुआ है वो नहीं बता.
I'm dead. Cheers.
Looks like it on your face. You're all red.
Cheers, guys. You should do it. Check your fitness.
It was fun. It was really good.
How was it? Are you dead? Alive?
Dead,
Still
but-
alive?
Still alive, but
You're still smiling. That's,
You
that,
look
that's
fresh actually.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ?
That's a honest response.
Guys,
बड़ी fresh
guys,
लग रही है.
guys.
जैसे ही कैमरा आता है, I'm like different person. पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है. नहीं.
How was it, Chavi?
I might not ever do it again.
ask the another blogger no. पूरा वो फोटो खींच रहा है जो.
Oh. Hi guys, good morning. So it's day 4 of the trip, and today morning we just got dressed up and had breakfast. It was a lazy morning. like we needed. And we have a few places to see today. The first one has to be the Seven Sisters waterfall, which is apparently very beautiful in peak monsoon or just right after monsoon. But right now in April, it's not that great. You can totally skip this place because यहाँ पे कुछ भी खास नहीं है. Like waterfalls hardly दिख रहे हैं. एक दो waterfalls है which you can easily find anywhere, and there's nothing unique about this place right now. So just keep that in mind.
इसका नाम है नौका लिकाई फॉल्स, ठीक है। लिकाई मीन्स लिकाई एक लड़की का नाम है, तो नौका लिकाई उनके नाम पे ही ये वाटरफॉल है। तो लिकाई क्या थी, एक लड़की थी, उनका पहले एक हस्बैंड था, लेकिन उसके बाद उसका ब्रेकअप ऐसा कुछ हो गया, उनका एक लड़की भी थी, तो उसके बाद फिर से उन्होंने शादी कर ली। तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, यहाँ पे लड़की काम पे जाती है और जो लड़का होता है, जो उनका हस्बैंड था, वो बहुत अच्छा वाला खाना बनाता था, तो घर पे रहता था, वो खाना बनाता था। लिकाई जब वहाँ से रिटर्न हुई थी उस पर घर पे, तो हस्बैंड ने बोला कि आज मैंने खाना बनाया है, अब खा लो, बहुत अच्छा वाला मीट है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है खा लेता हूँ। जब खाई थी उस टाइम पे उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता चला। जब वो हाथ धोने के लिए गई थी तो उसको अपने ही बेटी का हाथ मिल गया। क्या मतलब ऐसे पता चला कि उसका रिंग था, हाथ पे रिंग था, तो उसको पता चल गई कि मेरा ही लड़की है। उन्होंने पूछा कि क्यों ऐसा किया आपने, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं देते हो, अपनी लड़की को ज़्यादा टाइम देते हो। कुछ टाइम बाद इसके ऊपर से उसने जंप लगाया था, लिकाई ने ऊपर से वो मतलब गिर के वहाँ पे सुसाइड कर लिया था। तो इसके लिए ये वाला वाटरफॉल का नाम है नौका लिकाई। नौका मीन्स लीप ऑफ, एंड लिकाई तो उसका नाम ही है, लीप ऑफ लिकाई।
जरा सपना ने बनाया, जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू, जरा सा यारों में बसा, मैं जाऊं तुझको मेरी जान पे बना, फिदा हूं तुझ पे मेरी जान पे बना।
So we are here at the Nauka Likai market, and the vibe here is very nice and pahadi vibe. Like we're just taking a stroll, shopping, souvenirs, ये वो. Hoping कि हमको waterfall दिख जाए, लेकिन शायद आज नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा misty and foggy है, which is making it even more beautiful. Plus we found these guys, a small band playing music. इतना अच्छा vibe set हो गया ना, like everyone was dancing and everything. It was great.
Yeah, it was really, really nice. अभी वो गा रहा है
मेरे सपनों की रानी. We just
Yes,
came
yeah.
out to take like a longer walk because बहुत अच्छा मौसम है. So we are trying a local bhel which is called as aloo mori, and Bhaiya is making it for us. Let's see how it tastes. Taste test.
मैं करूँ?
हाँ. Somebody's calling. Really nice.
मस्त है.
Interesting. अच्छा है. This is so pretty. So now we are here at Garden of Caves. Basically यहाँ पे 11 caves है, and उसी के around they have built like a garden sort of situation. So अभी फ़िलहाल 2 caves बंद है. So I'll just show you around whatever it is, and it seems beautiful so far. So let's go.
मस्त है.
Okay, so after a long day in Cherrapunji and a long drive as well, we are finally in the hotel room and it feels so good. We just checked in and changed. It's around 8 o'clock right now and we're just looking for options for dinner. So let's see what we find, and we want to eat something nice because all this while on this trip हमको बहुत ही basic खाना मिला है. I mean अच्छा भी था, good North Indian food we had, but ज़्यादा variety नहीं मिली, ज़्यादा veg places भी नहीं थे, and ज़्यादा local food try करने नहीं मिला, which we are a little bummed about. If you're a vegetarian especially, you won't find a lot of options. मतलब same खाना रोज़ खाना पड़ेगा, and if you're okay with that, great. If you're not okay with that, please carry your own food, like a little bit ready to eat packets, khakra, thepla, all of that, because it's gonna come in handy. And now I'll just take you through the Shillong market, just the place that we are gonna go to eat and the food we eat. So let's go. The dinner better be worth it. एक डिनर के लिए इतनी मेहनत कुछ ज़्यादा
पागलों का ग्रुप ही कर सकता है.
फाइनली पिज़्ज़ा. मज़ा आ गया. नहीं आपने वो टाइम
क्या करना है?
तालियां बजानी.
Everyone's waiting. Happy Bihu. Hello from Kaziranga. It's officially the last day of this trip and we are pretty bummed about it honestly, but today we are going for a morning safari to the Kaziranga National Park, which is gonna be amazing. So I'm just gonna go get dressed for the safari and I'm very excited, looking forward to it. And I don't think I'll be able to talk to you anymore in the park because of obvious reasons. So I'll just show you what all I see through my lens. So let's go. So that's it for this video. Our trip has finally come to an end and it was a beautiful trip. Like we got to see so many beautiful things and we got to meet such nice people. It was very warm, it was very wholesome. So like a couple of things about Meghalaya as a place. Of course it's very beautiful, it's amazing, but to witness that place in its full glory, I think you need to plan it at the right time. I don't think April is the best time to visit Meghalaya. You should visit right after rains, like right after monsoon, between November to February. That time you would find a lot of waterfalls, a lot of like the Dauki River would be clean, crystal clear, like the way it's shown in reels and everything. So that is one thing you should keep in mind. Also, secondly, you should have great company with you because you wouldn't be able to enjoy the place without good company. It's not a solo traveler sort of a place, I feel like, personal opinion. And lastly, I think you need more days to cover a place like Meghalaya because it's so beautiful, it's so vast and it has so many hidden gems that, you know, you should be planning your itinerary by yourself. You should not be joining a group. But even if you want to join a group, I would put some names over here. You can definitely check them out because they specialize in Northeast India trips and I couldn't go with any of these groups because mere dates match nahi kar rahe the. But you can try for yourself and I hope that you have a good time on your trip to Meghalaya whenever you do. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this one, if you enjoyed all the banter, all the fun, then do like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.